This brand started with $30,000 of personal savings and 2 products. 7 years later, it is in Nordstrom. It's been on Oprah's list more than once, and the site says 600,000 customers. But look closer, that best-selling olive oil has 524 reviews, 600,000 customers, 500 reviews. Hold that number. We will come back to it because it's the most expensive thing on this website. I'm Sadik Vural. I run a leather brand, 10,000 plus reviews, no agency, no team, just me and a Shopify admin. This is the 5 notes. Every week I take one brand apart across 5 things: the story, the hero, the proof, the megaphone, and the loop. 5 scores 25 points, and at the end, if I run this brand, the 3 moves I would make today, Brightland. So, where does success come from? Here is what I found interesting about this one. The founder had no food background at all. Esveria Ayer spent about a decade in PR and communications. Not food, not retail, not CPG. She got there through her own stomach. She was on an elimination diet trying to figure out why she felt sick after meals, started resourcing cooking oils, and landed on a claim that became the entire company most of the olive oil Americans buy. Isn't what the label says it is: rancid or cat with cheaper oil. Now, that is her claim, and the exact percentage gets argued about, but whether it is 70% or 40%, it doesn't matter for all purposes. What matters is what she did with it. She found an enemy. Most founders start with a product. She started with a villain, and a villain does something a product can never do. It gives the customer a reason to be angry, and anger is shareable in a way that high quality is not. She launched in 2018 with $30,000 of her own money, bootstrapped over a year, sold out in a first week with wait list of over 1,000 people. Venture capital come later, nearly 7 million in 2022, a 15 million Series A after that. I want you to notice the order there. Product market fits first, money second. That order is rarer than you think, and it is why this brand still feels like it belongs to someone. Not one, the story. 2 things make this story work, and they are doing different jobs. First, the enemy. Rancid olive oil. That is not positioning. That is a fight, and a fight recruits people. You don't just buy the product, you switch sides. Second, and this is the more sophisticated move. She said from the beginning she wanted to describe olive oil like wine and market it like a beauty brand. Sit with that, in 2018, food brands were fighting for shelf space in Walmart, and the website was an afterthought. Beauty brands were doing the opposite, obsessing over packaging, benefits, the emotional layer, the thing you leave on the counter instead of in the cupboard. She imported the beauty playbook into a food category. That single translation is the whole brand. So then she signed artists to design the labels. Now the bottle isn't packaging, it is an object. It gets photographed, it sits out, it gets given as a gift. Here is the test I use every week. If your competitor can copy your positioning line word for word and it is still works on their site, that is not positioning, that is a description. Premium quality, copyable. We are the beauty brand of the pantry, and here is the artist who made this label not capable. Score 5 out of 5. One move I would make: the enemy is missing from the store. That rancid olive oil claim is the reason this company exists, and on the collection page it appears now where. So it lives in podcast and press. Put it on the product page, online, on one number, one score. Your best sales argument shouldn't live on someone else's platform. Not 2, the hero. They launched with 2 olive oils, 2, and watch how they expanded. 2 flavored oils, then 2 vinegars, then honey, then a pizza oil always in small steps, always in pairs. So the customer learns the range instead of drawing in it. That is a catalog with a teaching structure. Most stores just add SAQs. Now, the price letter, honey at 22, vinegars at 26, pizza oil 28, core olive oils 38, flour at 40, then sets 58, 89, 99, 130, 160, and complete collection at 288. So $22 to 288. That is not a price list. That is a staircase. Every budget has a first step, and every step leads up. And look at the thresholds: free shipping over $90, free vinegar on orders over 99. Two different reasons to add one more thing to the cart. So then there is the pizza oil. This is my favorite decision on the site. A competitor popularized the Sequence bottle format. Brightland resisted it for a while. Case bottles didn't fit the aesthetic. Then they launched pizza oil in one and reportedly sold 10,000 units in hours. The lesson isn't use Sequence bottles. It is that they let the market override the brand guidelines. Most founders can't do that. They defend the aesthetic until the aesthetic becomes a ceiling. Score 4 out of 5. One move I would make: there is a tension on this site they haven't resolved. The page says always 100% California, and one of the featured products is a Greek and Italian duo. I understand the commercial logic completely, but if California is your credibility, and it is, you can't quietly sell not California under the same badge. Either give the Mediterranean line its own identity and its own story, or explain the decision out loud. Customers forgive expansion. They don't forgive finding out. Note 3, the proof. Now the number from the opening, 600,000 customers according to their own banner. Their best-selling olive oil, 524 reviews. Flavored oils, 501 vinegars. 167, honey 54, the new Mediterranean duo 6. Do the arithmetic on that, even if that 600,000 figure counts. Every person who ever bought anything. The review rate is a rounding error, and it is not because customers don't like it. The ratings are 4.8 and 4.9 across the board. The product is loved. The asking is broken. This is the single most fixable, most expensive gap I have found in any store this month. Reviews are the cheapest conversion asset that exists. You already paid to acquire the customer. You already shipped the product. Collection the review cost you one email. Now, what they do have is real food and wine. Vogue, Bon Appetit, and Oprah is favorite things more than once, which in American consumer goods is close to coronation. But go look at where that lives. It is in the press, it is in interviews, on the collection page, where somebody is actually deciding whether to spend $40 on olive oil. It is almost invisible. That is the pattern with this brand, and it is the same pattern I found on my last trip down. Strong evidence, weakly placed. Score 3 out of 5. One move I would make: fix the post-purchase flow before anything else. Review request at day 14 after they have actually cooked with it, not when the box arrives. Photo review incentivized with points or a discount. And put Pro on the product page, not the press page. If you win an award and nobody sees it at the moment of purchase, you didn't win an award, you won a nice email. Note 5, the Megaphone. This is where they are genuinely excellent, and it starts with a decision made before launch. The artist labels aren't decoration. They are a content engine built into the physical product. Think about what that does. Every new artist is a launch. Every launch is a story, a collaboration, a person to interview, a limited edition. The brand generates reasons to post without ever having to invent one. Most brands are beginning their agency for content ideas. This one manufactures them at the packaging stage, and the bottle is designed to be photographed. It is white, it is graphic, it looks good on a marble counter, and it survives being shot by an amateur on a phone. That is not vanity, that is designing for distribution. Your customers became your photographers for free forever. Then partner ships a custom label for Sweet Green back in 2019. Collaborations with Fishwife and Material Kitchen, small, sharp brands with audiences that overlap almost perfectly. So notice they didn't chase celebrities. They partnered with peers. Peer collaboration is the most underrated growth channel in D2C because both sides bring a real audience. Nobody is paying anyone, and the audience treats it as recommendation rather than an ad. And then the gifting effect. The bottle became so giftable that corporate gifting turned into its own business line, reportedly growing over 50% in a single holiday season once they automated it. A gift is the most efficient acquisition channel in existence. Someone else pays to introduce you to a new customer. Score 5 out of 5 because one move I would make, they are winning the gift, but they are not capturing the recipient. When someone receives your bottle, they are not in your database, no email, no order history, nothing. If it were mine, every gift box would carry a printed card, a code, a QR, a first order offer for the person who opened it, not the person who paid. Right now, the most valuable customer in that transaction walks away anonymous. So, note 5, the loop. Subscribe and save is on nearly every product, 12% off monthly, every 2 months or every 3. The flexibility matters more than the discount. Olive oil isn't a fixed interval product. Same households finish a bottle in 3 weeks, some in 3 months, force everyone onto monthly, and you get cancellations. So then there is the recipes block and the field notes block. This is smarter than it looks. Receipt content isn't marketing, it is consumption acceleration. More receipts means more oil used means the bottle empty sooner means the reorder comes sooner. For any consumable, teaching people to use more of your product is a retention strategy that costs nothing per unit. They also run SMS, and I built your own set page, which is a quiet conversation tool. Let the customer assemble the bundle and the average order value goes up without a single discount. Where do they lose points? 2 places. There is no loyalty program that I can find. For a repeat purchase, pantry product points would be an obvious fit. And the bigger one, this business leans heavily on gifting, and gifting is structurally a one-time transaction. Someone buys a beautiful $89 set in December, feels good, and disappears until next December. That is seasonal businesses wherein a subscription business clothes. Score 4 out of 5. One move I would make, build a bridge from gift buyer to household buyer. Someone who ships a set to their sister in December should get a March email that isn't about gifting at all. It is about their own kitchen. Different message, different product, smaller price, the gift got them into your database. Don't only ever talk to them about other people. So, if I run this brand, 21 out of 25, genuinely strong brand, and I found a founder who got the hardest parts right first. So if I run Brightland tomorrow morning, 3 things. 1, fix the review gap before anything else. 600,000 customers, 500 reviews. It is not a marketing problem. That is a broken email flow. It is the cheapest revenue on the entire site, and it is sitting there untouched. 2, capture the gift recipient. They have built one of the most giftable products in American D2C, and the person who actually opens the box is a stranger to them. A printed card in every gift set, that is it. That is the whole fix. 3. Decide what California means. It's their credibility and their constraint at the same time. Sell Mediterranean oil, fine. It is a good commercial decision, but say so loudly with a story. Ambiguity is the only version of this that costs them. So look at those 3 again. Not one of them requires budget. An email flow, a printed card, and a paragraph of copy. That is usually how it goes. The expensive looking problems are cheap, and cheap looking decisions are the expensive ones. So, the 5 notes scorecard, the story 5, the hero 4, the proof 3, the megaphone 5, the loop 4, total 21. They are bold, class at getting attention and average at converting it into evidence, which is the opposite of most stores I open and much easier to fix. One thing for you this week: open your review platform, divide your total reviews by your total orders. If that number is under 5%, you have the same problem Brightland has, and it is costing you more than your ad account is. I take on a small number of brands each year, founders only, and only once I would put my own money into links below. Next week another brand, tell me which one.